Do you floss or you don't? You need to watch this till end. By the way, hi, I am Ishita Sharma, a dental student, and my oral health game went from basic to borderline obsession when I started using this tiny machine called water floss. Look, I'm in dental school. I know what's good for my teeth, but some days I'm just lazy. This is my lazy girl's hack for dentist clean teeth. Let's start. Step 1, we will fill this tank. And also, my dentist will probably watch this video. So, hi, doc. I floss now. Okay, please don't judge me for the last year. If this spills, it's not water, it's my tears from dental school. Anyways, let's look into the tip. So the tip I'll choose is this one. So this one is standard jet tip, perfect for daily use. Also, if you share your flosser, don't. That's gross. Your plaque, your problem. So different tip is used for different purposes. You can see. So classic tip, orthodontic tip, and tongue cleaner tip are must. You should use them regularly. Now you can see it has various modes like normal, strong, sensitive, pulse, child. If you're new to flossing, use child mode. Here I'm starting with normal mode. So now let's start. First let me adjust the tip, and now I'm using normal mode slowly, and you cannot even think of its pressure. I got my whole ceiling wet. Don't try this at home, guys. So the technique is lean over the sink unless you want a free shower. Or you can like spit in between, but keep your mouth slightly open so the water flows out, and aim the tip at 90-degree angle to the gum line. So this is how you should aim in a semicircular motion along the gum line. So you can start from the back teeth and move slowly along the gum line. Don't just spray like you are watering plants. Give each tooth some love. Oh, and remember that person who said flossing is a scam? Yeah, bet they also think toothpaste is optional. So, as you can see in the picture, create a high pressure jet of water to clean between the teeth and below the gum line. It's so funny. I love it. But you can see I splash it all over my face. But yeah, it's very safe. That's why this is low key relaxing. Or maybe I'm just sleep deprived. So yeah, it's safe. Now let's get back to what we were doing. People think like dental students have perfect teeth. Meanwhile, I'm here blasting our last night popcorns and stuff. So guys, don't judge me. So I actually feel clean, like dentist after cleansing clean. It's a messy at first, but once you get the hands of it, it's so satisfying. If you have braces, crowns, or just hate regular floss, this is your best friend. Tip from me, start with the lowest pressure setting unless you enjoy gum aerobics. So now don't forget to brush your teeth. You can't afford to skip brushing after doing floss. So brushing and flossing are must. So yeah, I am officially a water flosser girl now. My gums are happy, my dentist will be happy, and my sink is soaked. Worth it. So I've been using it for 1 month now, and my all over experiences like day one was meh, day three addicted, day seven. Why did nobody tell me this exists? Okay, done for today. Bye bye. And yeah, don't forget to brush your teeth as well as floss and stay blushed. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.